family tree of big cats has long, ancient roots. The last common ancestor of all modern felines was a prehistoric cat that roamed Asia, Europe, and North America 9 to 20 million years ago. Saber-toothed cats also sprang from this creature. Roughly 10 million years ago, the roaring cats split away from the rest of the pack. Over time, these large felines branched off in different directions. Lions, leopards, and jaguars are closely related. As for tigers, studies have shown they have more in common genetically with snow leopards, to the point that they are regarded as sister species. As members of the carnivora order, big cats have ancestral links with other feliforms, such as hyenas, mongooses, servals, linsangs, and genets. With ties to these animals, plus their numerous feline cousins, the big cats have a fascinating heritage.